Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. I am Yassine from YDG Softwares. In today's video, I will show you how to use your USB drive as a second RAM. I know it seems to be insane, but it is working for real. So if you want to see how it works and how to do this, just stay with me in this video and let's get started. This method is so great if you want to increase your RAM and increase your computer's speed, especially for playing games and editing videos, or just you want to get more RAM because you have a weak computer or an old one. And the good thing about this method is that you don't have to download any program or any file to do this. So the first thing that you have to do is plug in your USB drive to your computer. Then go to your PC, right click on your USB drive, properties, then this will show up. Go to Ready Boost tab, then select dedicate this device to Ready Boost. And from here you can choose how many storage that you want to use. I will use all of it. Click on apply, then okay. Now you will notice that my USB drive is completely full because I am using all of it now. Now, if you want to eject or unplug your USB drive, you must do these steps backwards because if you don't, you will get some errors. And to avoid that, go to your PC, right click on your USB drive, properties, Ready Boost, then select the first option, do not use this device. Click on apply, then okay. Now you are ready to eject your USB drive. That's what I have for this video, guys. If you don't want to miss videos like this one, like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.